Hi, this is Alan, and welcome to Alan's Lego World. And this is the Lego Technic NASA Apollo Lunar Roving Vehicle, or LRV, set number 42182. This is 18 plus set and consists of 1,913 pieces and retails for $220 US. And this was the vehicle used by the Apollo 17 mission in 1972, which was the final Apollo mission, when they landed on the moon for the last time. And overall looks is redesigned faithfully to the one they used on the moon. The folding seats like that, which I'll go over later. You got several components which come off, represent the different parts of this vehicle and the tools and the equipment they're carrying. So let's dive into the review. Okay, I'm going to take off all the subcomponents so you can see the vehicle itself. See how they come off. We're starting seeing the framework of this vehicle. There's this coming off as well. All right. Let's cover this. Go over this. This is as a suspension system on all the wheels. Goes up and down. It starts with the mud guards here, all captured in the orange and brown with the United States flag. And the wheels are in the dark blue gray, available design, no one-piece rubber mold. You know, the technical components right here showing all the gears and how this thing moves around. And once again, you have the seats right here with the crew sat. And these do fold like this for easy storage, as this folds up for easy transport from the modular to the surface. And also easier for them to carry this thing to and from Earth. I'll fold this back. The seats fold on either side. And the seats were, in a way, a 2X, but built in reverse. So building this was kind of repetitive. But building 2X, one in reverse is easy. That some of this set was one of the easiest technical sets you can build a 2X. Because everything's pretty much the same, including the pins. Right, you have the control panel for the modular vehicle, and something for the lunar rover vehicle rather. And then you have a map showing the various parts of the moon. You have a camera right there. Obviously another antenna. Then you see the gears right here, which I'll go over in a little bit, which makes the vehicle turn. Turns around. You see all the parts exposed right here. The pins that indicate where the sub-assemblies go. Then when you make this turn, you got these flaps right here, which you pull up all the way on this side and on this side here. This will unlock the wheels and allow your vehicle to turn. It turns right here. This is your steering mechanism right here. This one turns is it's going left. Obviously, it's going right. You can tell any of the side wheels turn this way and this way in either direction. Right there. And this is how the vehicle turns. Make sure I have all these in place. Oh no, I didn't have this place while I was turning. Okay, that explains everything. But see, we don't have them. Let me try this one again. Okay. So we see right here is how this turns. So that's why I wasn't turning right. I didn't have everything unlocked. Now that it's unlocked, I can show this the right way. So, you gotta make sure all these flaps are down. Not blocking this part right here. This part is the turning, makes this vehicle turn. So you have one part blocked. It's just you saw. Vehicle's not going to turn in a certain direction. It might turn in one direction, not the other. That's all you gotta be sure of that. Now all you gotta did the footrest right here on both sides of the vehicle. You got more flaps right here, which uses this piece right here and another hinge piece here. Holds that in place. So, let me show you what this looks like being folded up for easy transport. Alright, this is what the LRV looks like when it's folded up for transport between the Earth and the Moon. It folds up like this. And it makes it for easy transport. And the way they fold it up in Technic form is this whole side goes down. The wheels come up. You got the pins right here which lock the folding mechanism in place. That wasn't supposed to happen yet. You got this right here which locks the wheels in place. On this side here. And then do the same thing for the other side. Flap down. Put these in place. Up. Like so. And this. Like so. All wheels are locked in place. And then control panel moves, seats. Control panel moves up. The first these seats move. Like so. And the footrests come up. And the monitor is moved. Place right there. So that's how you fold this and unfold this for use on the moon. Then, okay, going back to Earth. All right, so first fold the footrest. Fold the seats in like that. Move these up. Control panel up. Now on either side. Do this first. Move these out the way. Then you fold the wheels. The wheels go underneath, and this goes up. And same for the other side. These hooks here keep the wheels in place. Now they're over here, and then this little mechanism keeps it folded in place. And doing this like that. Boom, done. And it also comes with a plaque for the vehicle itself. Right here, it's a very cool detail. Yes, this is a sticker, but then there's a couple bubbles in, but this is the sticker. So I'll go over that part later. It has all the background of the vehicle itself, which got the two hooks right here. You can put this in place. And there you go. You can display this with the information in place. All right, and this is what the vehicle looks like with the plaque unfolded. So now, let's go over the little sub-assemblies that attach to the vehicle. Alright, let's start off with the display platform that is used to hold the sub-assemblies in place. So this is well designed, like comes in 3 areas where you can put your sub-modulars. And this is what it looks like in the back. So it shows the different sets where you can display your sub-assemblies and all the cool information on the 8x16 tiles here, which are stickers, which I think for this set being 18 plus set should have been prints. So let's go down the line and start on this side. The Ford chassis. Just right here, this is Ford chassis. There's a little power supply, traffic control, navigation. This basically this is what makes the Lunar Rover vehicle work. You got the solar panels here, which you can open up to get power. You have obviously the supplies for the crew. Right here, you got the NASA, you got the cool logo right here, and all these are stickers. All these gold panels are stickers. They're not prints, they're stickers. Basically the wax, all this, and these are stickers. Obviously open it when they need power. You got the antennas right here. And obviously this is a camera here, that's the antenna. So this is what helps the vehicle operate, basically. So let's put this over here for now so you can see how this displays. Let's look for the holes so you can put those in the proper place. Alright, covers that. Now we do the communication relay unit. So remember these that are on the vehicle? Well, these come off during transport, and this is part of the communication relay unit. So take this off the vehicle, put this on either side. Put this on poles right there. And then this is the power supply that built in, like obviously the battery unit to make this move around. Then it's temperature controlled. So this way it can work well on the moon as well as anywhere in the world because space is cold, so they gotta be able to work. And the map right here shows the 3 trips complete by the LRV on the mission. They got, it's a 16mm camera right there. And that's the antenna right there. So this way they can communicate with Houston Mission Center. So I'll put this in place. And pay attention to the holes. It only goes in a certain way. So that's done. Now I'll show the pallet assembly. Oh, this is what carries all their tools. Plus, you got the big bully, the 4 billion-year-old piece of rock collected by Apollo 16. You got the as a little handle radar here, which obviously doesn't stay on too well. You got more power supply. They got, obviously these are batteries. These are all the tools they need to conduct their experiments. So you got one container here. They have a power supply cabinet here. And this is the traverse gravimeter. So this comes off to show the what appears to be a satellite or another piece of equipment inside here. This comes off. Just put back on. You have more control panels here. You have the hammer, you have the shovel son, you have like probably a detector. You have all various tools which easily come off. Come off easily. That's all tools are at. And then take these tools off. You have access to more tools. You have to flip these up to remove the tool. Then this comes over here. So you access tools. So take that off. Pull these five. Take this off. They can use it. Put it on so. Of course, I gotta do it right. Then open this flap right here. And this comes out, or yes, this comes out. Now this is like a drill piece right here for the crew to use. Oh yeah, this has to open too. Otherwise, ain't gonna do much. Now this has to be the drill, so yes, take these off. All right, you come out. All right, thank you. Honestly, this is the okay, but that's not the drill piece. Let's go down this side here. And they like they're using for a drill. This has to be a wrench or something. So it moves like that. Let me start putting all these back in place here. So it's cool. It's just cool. They provide you the tools to work with. So they thought on Lego's part to include as many tools as possible for the set here. I don't remember where this goes. I think this goes here, if I'm not mistaken. It goes there. As they use this to collect the samples, they pick up with the gravimeter right back in place. Turn this around. As that's where the rock goes, and there's one hole right here which this attaches to. So on the display stand, it goes right there. And the rock will go right there in place, and this is displaying all the sub-assemblies. So it's interesting. You see a little bit of everything here. You can learn more about the LRV itself and the Apollo 17 mission. So I'll show you the instruction booklet real quick. Okay, this is the instruction booklet. And this consists of a single book. Show all the parts, everything, and 352 pages from first page to last page. Yes, and they still show this part. I don't know why. It's been 2 years since Lego been showing this page. They still haven't put the parts in the paper bags yet. They still put them in plastic. Yes, see the background for this. You can tell they've kept the detail faithfully as possible to one of these on the moon. And the designer, then some more pictures. And here's all the information of what was used. And let me start the building process. And this is divided into 12 bags. This also shows, this in the bag shows how you fold the main vehicle. It shows how you put all the parts in place. So the last thing you're putting together is the display stand for all the sub-assemblies. This consists of 481 steps. So, and overall, this was a little bit challenging to build this 18 plus set. But anyone can build this set. So let me pull this back in place. I'll talk about pricing. All right. Now pull all the subcomponents back together. Let's talk about pricing. Pricing is $220 US. You get 1,913 pieces. But I paid like $190 in my local Barnes & Noble with my discounts. 10% off and whatever credits I had. So, but $220 US, this is I think it should have been $200 at the most for this. I understand it's licensed product because they gotta give NASA their licensing fees for using this. Which is fine, but $200 should have been at the most the cost for the set. So, but overall, I do like how they put it together. I like how they faithfully recreated the design of the LRV to one they used in the mission as close as possible. Sure, it's not perfect, but they did the best they could. So, I like that they used the rubber bands to represent this piece here as a antenna or something like that. Yeah, this also comes off too. They can stick this in the ground, like some tools and the equipment they use, they stick it on the ground. Use it for work. So, yeah, there are some stickers to this set. I still think the plaque should have been prints, not stickers. In fact, what you pay for this set, everything should have been in print. They do give you 3 sticker sheets for this, which looks like a lot, but some stickers just looks like a lot because you got 4 big stickers for the display plaques. So I like the mechanism of this, how it folds up, how you make it turn, how you make it move. Lego recreated this very well. So on that note, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so you can view more content in the future. And have a great day.